again with a new video. Thank you so much to appreciate our videos and thank you so much. Give us comments and like. Today I'm gonna show you M8 Pro LED original 60 watt. So well guys, let me show you inside quality and specification. So well, high quality canvas. So guys, here's a hot reducing copper sink, high quality CSP chip. So guys, inside the super quality cooling fan. So well guys, 360 movable bracket. So guys, this is our M8 60 watt LED and let me show you the system original power of that. So guys, you see power here. Gosh, nice one. Very perfect. Original 60 watt. In the tester 60 watt. This watt we are give guarantee of customer. So well guys, this is our M8 Pro new model LED. As usual, if you want to make order, visit our Dera outlets, Dragonmart branches, TobySoup.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. So time is limited. Don't forget, come here please.